Guys, what is the first emoji? What my teacher is gonna die? Let's see. When is it? When is gonna be? When is gonna be? Oh, I will beat my ass. I will be quiet. I will be angry, and I let my father beat my ass. Go, guys. When is be red? Guys, I'm literally scared. When is it red? My father gonna beat my ass. My father is literally standing literally next to me. Literally standing right over here. And he heard the video what I did say. And he had the belt in his hand, but in my heart is pop. When my heart is beating as hell. So guys, I'm scared. God, please, my ass. Please, God, my ass. My ass is mustn't be away. Please, God, my ass. Bruh, I'm fucking scared. How can I do this to me? My ass. Yo, my ass. 1, 2, 3. Are you mad? I'm not gonna do it. Guys, the first emoji. Yeah, everybody's gonna be scared. My phone is literally right. That's my phone. That's my phone. Thank God, man.
Haraman. Jadi sini nih dari bos. Ustaz.